What's up, YouTube family? I'm Antoine. Welcome to another late night cleaning video. As you may have guessed already, I will be cleaning the refrigerator, doing some grocery shopping tomorrow. I want to make sure the space is clean for the food. But please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like, hit the notification bell, and please share. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright you all, so I will be cleaning the refrigerator with this disinfectant cleaner. I decided to use this because it's not as harsh as some of the other chemicals. It doesn't look like it's a lot, but it should be enough for what I have to do. I do not like the smell of it. I cannot stand the smell of it, but it cleans up really well, so that's what I'll be using. And of course, I'm going to be using the stainless steel cleaner for the outside. So I'm going to try to keep this clean as simple as possible and as quick as possible. Alrighty. So I've already taken everything out of it. It wasn't too much. Like I said, we have to do some shopping tomorrow. But just to give you all a better visual of how dirty it is. Just a lot of times I know with us, we don't really think about cleaning the inside of the refrigerator. Probably need to do it a lot more often, especially since we have food in here, obviously. Yeah. So the drawers, there's some things here. Cleaned out. A lot of little crumbs. I'm not sure if you can see a lot of the dirt in here on the camera, but I'll do my best to show you what we have. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Almost embarrassing to show you all, but hey, to get a good after, you have to see the before, and showing you the before. So the drawer to my freezer is here. Oh, this is bad. Just don't realize how bad it is until you just down into it. That whole track right there is pretty bad. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So right there, we're gonna get it right. I had to take that thing out. That was a nightmare to take out. But yeah, gotta get behind there. That's why I took that out. Yep, so yeah. Alrighty, let's get to cleaning. So getting ready to clean the cool drawer next. Forgot I gotta clean up underneath it. This caught me by surprise. Dog hair from the previous owners. It's all good though. Alright, you all. I'm done. It took me probably about 3 hours to finish this thing because I was nitpicking details. My OCD kicked in so hard cleaning this refrigerator. But I got it done. Finally. Let's see the after. Alright. Here it is. Let's see what we got. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I reorganized the shelves too just to have a different look. But look how much cleaner this thing is. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Behind the cool door. This was the headache. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Good now. Good now. Come on, get in there. Sorry about that, but yeah, look at this. Shelves all clean. Freezer all clean. Look at that. Behind that, all clean. Yeah, we good to go. All right, so thank you all for sticking with me. Like I said before, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like, hit that notification bell, because there will be more late night cleaning videos with me. Alright? So till next time, peace out. Good night.